Hey guys, today we are in my bedroom and we're gonna do some unboxing this time. And before that, I will show you what I got. I was out early this morning. I was so really busy, so I had a lot of work to do. When I left early this morning, I don't have coffee. I don't have breakfast. I'm not a breakfast eater really. I don't really eat a heavy breakfast. I'm fine with yogurt and cereals and smoothie like that. And I'm not really a very heavy breakfast eater, but I love coffee a lot. Coffee made me survive the whole day. I don't know, I'm addicted to coffee. If I don't have coffee, I'll get headache or something like that, or I'm not really feeling well. The weather is gorgeous right now. I just opened my window in my bedroom, and before I got home, I also dropped to the donut shop, which is one of my very best favorite here in Prague. The name of this donut is Oh There, My There, I Love You There, the other bakery. So I bought and look what it says here. See, you're fucking awesome, right? So actually I bought 5. The 2 of them my daughters already ate it because they're doing online school right now. And I got tiramisu. Here's the tiramisu. I got vanilla, and the other one is pistachio. So let's gonna try and dig in for that. All right. Let's put my coffee in here so I won't spill it. Let's go there. I'm gonna try the pistachio for now. I love pistachio. Okay, let's go dig into this. Here's the pistachio, and let's go try this. It's so yummy. It's so yummy, guys. My coffee. Cheers. So I'm not really sure what's in here, but I remember I did order something that really is essential for me. And they wrap it with the bubble wrap. Okay, I remember now. Okay, this is what I ordered, guys. It's an intense pulse light. So let's go open this and I'll show you and I'll tell you what's this one for. This, and I am excited to use this later. So this is an IPL hair removal system, and this is for the manual. I really need this manual, so I'm gonna check it later. So first, here is the charger. There's a flag for this, and this is in this one. And then this is for the hair removal for your underarm, for your hair. It's for hair removal permanently. Your unwanted hair on your body can be removed to this one, as what the review said. So this one has we'll see. We have to charge it first, and it said you don't need to apply any cream or lotions in it, as long as just this one itself. So hopefully this would work. So we will see if this gonna work. Hopefully this would really work, guys. So we'll see that later. So this is the switch button here. Here's the switch, and you can just like that on all your skin like this. So hopefully this would work. And when you use this one, when you apply this to your underarm, you should, I guess, you know, necessary, you have to wear this sunglasses that they give to you. So, and let's go ahead. Can you see my dog? He's really nice, right? Okay, there's another one. So we have to unbox. I bought this one online. Why I need this? Because I need an extra one for you know what I mean. You to support. And I actually bought I have another phone that it's the brand is Alcatel, and I'm gonna do a review for that. And that Alcatel is the oldest version from it said was released on 3 years ago. And the problem to that is every time you do some comments, if you want to comment or something or to type or something, it's gonna go back to the home screen, and it's so annoying that keep doing that. So I decided to get a good one, because that Alcatel one, which is the older version, is I was thinking like it's just for the support. So I was like, yeah, I will grab that when I saw that online, and it was very cheap. And I'm kind of disappointed of it. I guess for the, you know, like people say, you pay for the price. Okay, so I was paying for the price for that, and it's really freaking annoying. So that was very cheap, and you know, because it's just for the support of our, you know what I mean, for the Premier. So I'm tired of that one. I just bought that like a month ago, and I can't handle it anymore. It's really freaking me out when every time I do some, you know, when I type of something, or if I do comment, it's literally once goes back to the home screen, and I don't like that. So like last weekend I was browsing on the internet because I bought something online, which is a new blender, and I was thinking like I will check for the cell phone, and then I found this one. It's a Samsung. It's the M11. It's a Samsung M11. So I'm pretty sure this is a good one, and it's not gonna give me a hard time because this is quite expensive. So I'm not gonna name the price now because that's no sense. It's really frustrating to use this kind of cell phone that it goes back, and then I can't even do the comment on it. That's why it's all like I always do BG in that when I use those older cell phone, on the Alcatel cell phone. But first, yes, I'm sorry. Woo! Yes, it is a Samsung Galaxy M11. So this is in the back. It's quite big. It's a long, but it's a very narrow. The wide is not. The wide of this is, let's say, 6 inch. So, but it's not bad. It's really nice to hold. So let's go open this. Oh, I feel it. I like it already. So, oh, it's so nice. It's really nice, guys. I love this one already. Oh, I love it. It's this one. The back is like this, and the front is, it's a black. It's a Samsung Galaxy M11. I don't care about what's the megapixel of it or the camera, because I have my own camera already. And so I can't open it right now because it's low, but we have to charge it first. But I will give you the review of this. But definitely I have a good impression in mind. I have the instinct that that really this one is wonderful. It's gonna be a good one, and this one won't gonna keep going back to the home screen once you do the comments, you do the commenting, you know what do you call this, the doting. When you dot something on this one, I'm sure it's not gonna go back to, hindi siya magmamaktol, I'm sure, hopefully. And another one, this one, I didn't ask for a SIM card, but they give me the SIM card for this, which is from the T-Mobile. The SIM card is included in this package of this phone that they give you for free. And I don't know, should I use it? I don't know, we will see. But also, I also bought the one charger cable. It's a Rapid Series 3-in-1 cable. So it's gonna be like this. It's a 1 USB port and then 3 chargers at the same time. This one is color red, as you can see. This just gonna be on the charger, I mean on this cable here, so you see it work. And you can plug it all, and you can charge 3 devices for this. So for this, it's this one. There, it works. It fits there. And the other one is for the iPhone, for an Apple something, I guess. And the other one is this kind of hook. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for always there supporting for my premieres every now and then, and also for all the admins and the members, especially all the founders, and to assure you guys, I'm here, I am supporting, I am legit here, and I'm not bodle, so don't worry about that. That's why I am trying hard to give for all the GCs that I joined in. I have to make sure that they all have their own gadgets, because I don't want to get it unfair with it, that these people are working hard and supporting with me and always there with me, and then I cannot support the other GC. So that's why I have to make sure that each of my GC has their own gadgets. It's been